Hey there, it's Candace Hidalgo, Houston Suburbs Realtor with Real Broker. I'm in the Woodlands Hills today, surprise, surprise. I'm a resident and realtor living in the neighborhood, and I wanted to take you guys on a special tour of this Perry Home 2916 floor plan. It was built in 2022. It's been very lightly lived in. There are no 2916 floor plans available in the Woodlands Hills right now, new construction. And this one you guys are gonna see when we go inside. It's pretty much brand new, impeccably cared for, and I can't wait to show you. Let's go look. Okay, I'm doing an open house today, so I figured I would take you on a virtual open house tour. Beautiful contemporary elevation, Perry Home 2916 floor plan, which in Perry speak means it has 2,916 square feet. Beautiful, colorful landscaping. I think I mentioned, but it's impeccably maintained, which you'll see as you go inside. Welcome to my open house. Okay, so signature Perry, soaring ceilings, wide hallways, and then I'm going to give you an idea of floor plan before we walk through. But you've got 2 bedrooms here with a Hollywood bath going, connecting the two, also known as a Jack and Jill. We've got this beautiful chandelier up here, 12-foot ceilings throughout the entryway. Here you have your washer dryer, linen closet, and the doorway to the garage. It's a 3-car tandem. This hallway goes down to another bedroom and full bathroom, flex room, open concept, living, kitchen, dining, and then tucked away in the back is the owner's suite. So that's layout. It's a large, almost 12,000 square foot pie-shaped lot, which I'll show off when I go into the backyard. Yes, I am walking backwards in heels. So hopefully I don't fall. And excuse my pointer finger. I cut it this morning, making breakfast for the kiddos. But let's go on in. Soaring ceiling in here. This is probably 13 feet because the entryway is 12 feet ceilings, and then the main living area is 13 feet. So this looks larger than the entry, so I imagine this is 13 feet. Beautiful large windows here, plenty of room for, bed and desk or whatever else you wanted to do. And then transom windows up top, bringing in extra light. So you've got your vanity here for this bedroom with really beautiful modern lighting. It's a contemporary styled home. So you're gonna see that styling throughout. Nice spacious closet. And then this is the door that goes through. You've got a full bath here. Hey, second vanity. And then nice raised ceiling in here as well. All the bedrooms, the secondary bedrooms in this home are very spacious, but just wait until we get to the primary suite. Closets, you've got linen storage here and coat closet here. I love, love, love all the closet space in this home. Okay, beautiful chandelier here, drop zone, laundry room, and you could put folding bench here or some more shelving or just leave it open as they have. And let's look at this other storage / linen closet. And yeah, like I said, tons of closet space. Let me peek in the garage actually. You won't go in there because it's actually really empty, but it has their car in there. So it's really empty and clean. I think I mentioned, but it's impeccably maintained. This is a very lightly lived in second home for the seller. So it's, they just had it to visit family close by, and they just wanted a constant place that they could come stay. And so it's been lightly lived in, impeccably cared for. So it looks pretty much like a brand new home, built in 2022. So this is the 3rd bedroom. Of course, also has its closet. Okay, let's head back out. Try not to make you dizzy. Nice arched hallway entering into this open living area here. Before we kind of go into detail there, I wanted to take you to this flex space, which they're using as an office. And I'll close this door a little just so you can see. It's glass French doors, double French doors. But this space is huge. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna walk, so this is the entry. I'm gonna walk all the way across 6, 7, 8, 9 of my natural steps, and I'm 5'10", so I'm a tall girl. And that was lots of space. Okay. Ceiling fans in all of the rooms. Sorry, I'm just gonna scooch my phone. Okay. So yeah, ceiling fans were added in all of the bedrooms, plus the flex space. That's a nice add-on that you wouldn't get if you buy a new Perry home. Let's go take a look at this kitchen. This is just my open house goodies, but you've got a nice sized pantry. Got your little kind of, I don't know, coffee area there, although they have their coffee here. What would you use this little space for? Just extra space, lots of cabinetry, tons of storage. You've got a 5-burner gas stove. Nice deep storage drawers, and humongo island with this nice modern lighting. Plenty of space for seating. Single basin stainless steel sink that overlooks the living room, and just, I mean, walls of windows on the entire rear elevation of the home. We haven't even gone into the primary suite yet, but those also have windows. You have a double wall oven, built-in microwave right on top. And then gorgeous dining room. This is a designer lighting fixture that they added after, and that's a nice upgrade. Oh, I've got to show you. So let's take a look. So they've added these automated window coverings in this main living area, and there's different zones too. So if you just wanted to open and close the dining or just the living, you can absolutely do that. While those close, I'm gonna take you over, take a closer look at the living room. So this is where you have your 13-foot ceilings, and you have a gas fireplace, which is also remote controlled somewhere. Real wood mantle. Oh, also wanted to show off this space, which they're not really using. Like I said, it's a lightly lived in kind of second home, but this would be great for a nice hutch, a buffet, built-ins of some kind, like coffee, wine area there. And then this is also another kind of interesting space that you could do something fun and beautiful with. Okay, so we're gonna go into the owner suite tucked away behind this rear hallway, and vaulted ceilings in here, arched transom windows, tons of space in this primary bedroom. Double French doors going into the luxurious owner's bath. You've got a soaking tub here, just perfectly clean. And then this is a glass shower. It's not a walk-through, but it's a step down, herringbone tile on the floor, and then tiling all the way to the ceiling, which is so nice. You have your dual vanities here and dual closets. So this is the water closet here, and then this is one of the walk-in closets. You have even room for seating, for putting shoes on. Nice built-in storage there. And then let's go look at the second walk-in closet. Privacy glass on all of the windows in here, but they do also have these nice blinds. More linen, storage, and the second walk-in closet with built-ins. So I just love how not only practical this home is, but beautiful. Okay, so let's go look at the backyard. I can't remember if I mentioned, but this says on, oh, let's look at the blinds first. So full privacy when the blinds close completely. And I'm gonna just open them back up now that we're going into the backyard. So when they're closed completely, full privacy. And then, like I said, you can do them by zone. So let's go back into the backyard. You have this oversized covered patio with really tall ceiling. Again, my guess on this one would be 13 feet. It's either 12 or 13, but you've got a gas line in here. So if you wanted to add an outdoor kitchen, that would be super easy. You don't have to tear up the wall or do any kind of piping. It's already done, as well as utility access for an outdoor TV. Already done for you. So easy to come in and add those, but really nice back patio. And then the yard. It's almost 12,000 square feet, just under 12,000 square feet. And I'm gonna go over to the side on both sides so you can really see how huge this lot is. And because it's on a cul-de-sac, it's a pie-shaped lot, and you have all this distance from your neighbors, which you have great neighbors in this house. I've met them, they're great, but you want your privacy. So I'm walking over to the other side, and so nice huge buffer from your neighbors. And then there's even a partial green belt behind the home here. So lots of privacy and, you know, lots of nice greenery in the backyard. And it has been raining on and off today. I'm out here in my sandals, or, you know, platform sandals. And you'll notice these drains also. I'm gonna zoom over there. Well, maybe not. Anyways, you've got drains in the backyard. So this lot drains like a dream. I've come over here for the owner a couple of times since he's lived here, because he doesn't live here full time. So I'll come check on it for him sometimes after a heavy rain, and it drains like a dream. So beautiful rear elevation of the home as well. And then of course, this is in the incredible neighborhood of the Woodlands Hills, Texas, which is just about 15 minutes up from the Woodlands, which is an award-winning neighborhood community developed by the Howard Hughes Corporation. Woodlands Hills is also developed by the Howard Hughes Corporation. And we're just about 4 miles from Lake Conroe, 45 minutes into Houston if you need to go to the city. Gorgeous neighborhood with tons of amenities, which I'm gonna show you right now. This home is being offered at $589,000. So if you have any questions, you're looking to move to the Woodlands Hills, and you are looking for a Perry home in this floor plan or similar, happy to give you some more details. Please do let me know if you're interested in this one, or if you have any questions at all about the Woodlands Hills or the Houston suburbs. I live here in the Woodlands Hills and serve all around the Houston suburbs, and I would be happy to help. Talk to you soon.